In this video, I will show you how to make this very easy ribbed crochet skirt. Let's get started. To make this skirt, you will need some fine yarn. I use acrylic one, 3 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle. Start making a slip knot. And for a mini skirt, chain 19. This will be the length of our skirt, so if you want to make it a little bit longer, just chain more chains. Okay, and start working in the second chain of the hook and make a slip stitch. Make slip stitches in next 3 chains. 3 and 4. In the next 13 ones, make a single crochet. If your chain is longer, because you wanted to make longer skirt, make single crochet until the end, but in the last chain, make a slip stitch. I have 2 chains more, so here I will make a single crochet and, as I said, a slip stitch in the last one. Chain 1 and turn your work. And right now we will work just in this back loop. So insert your hook into the back loop and make a slip stitch. And this row number 2, we'll just continue making slip stitches in back loop all over to the end of this round. Keep your slip stitches quite loose, because later it's easier to work inside them. Okay, this will be my last one. It's a little bit more difficult to work inside, but doesn't matter. Chain 1, turn your work, and again we will work just in back loop, but we will repeat row number 1. So in first 4 stitches, we'll just make a slip stitch, 2, 3 and 4. In next stitches, we'll make a single crochet. So in my case, as I said, it will be 13 single crochet, but if your skirt is longer, so until the end. But remember again that the last stitch has to be a slip stitch. So just continue working like this to the end, and this is whole pattern. When you make your last slip stitch here, you will chain 1, turn your work, make working again only in back loop, make slip stitches to the end, chain 1, and again we will make 4 slip stitches, single crochet until the end. In the last chain, slip stitch, chain 1, and just work like this until you have a piece big enough to cover your doll's hips. I made 41 rows. This is how it looks like in this moment, and as you can see, it's big enough to cover the hips of my doll. And my last row, this row number 41, was exactly the same one as I started. So this one with slip stitches and single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, fold it into half, and now we will close this part with slip stitches. So insert your hook into the first stitch on this side and into this last stitch, but just in front loop, okay, and make a slip stitch. and continue working like this until the end. Now just cut this yarn. We'll make one more chain and weave in the ends. This is how it looks like. And on the reverse side, you can use them both ways. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.